Hey guys, this is Palak and you're watching our channel Tattoos Remove. In this video, we'll be going through a series of bad tattoos. We do agree that there are some amazing tattoos out there, a treat to the eyes. But what about those tattoos that just don't make the cut? Some tattoos are so poorly executed that their mere existence can be embarrassing and cringeworthy. Trust me, there is no shortage of tattoo regret stories. So let's go through 10 of the worst tattoo fails in the history of internet. And since we are such amazing people, we decided to leave you with little pieces of advice so that when you get your first tattoo or even your 10th, you steer clear from these mistakes. As Kris Jenner puts it, they're life lessons. Number 1. A tribute to Marilyn Monroe. If that's really her. Portraits are a risky bet. People often get tattoos of their favorite celebrities or loved ones to celebrate or remember them. These tattoos require expertise and, when in wrong hands, can end in disasters. Just like this one, where Marilyn Monroe looks more like a woman in pain. Lesson learned: think twice before getting a portrait tattoo. Number 2. The wise say regret nothing. I say regret nothing except for this work of art. People often get a quote or a saying tattooed, something that really inspires them. Strength and courage, you only live once, nothing lasts forever, and obviously regret nothing are some of them. But they forget to proofread. That results in a lot of misspelled words. Lesson learned: proofread the tattoo. Grammar, punctuation, verbs, everything. Number 3. Something that you're absolutely gonna agree with us. And that's the definition of a bad idea. A night out and a few drinks bring out all the energy needed to make stupid decisions confidently. Next morning, a hangover and a tattoo on the face. Lesson learned: don't drink and ink. Number 4. Seriously though, why is this man wearing sunglasses at the back of his head? People have been very creative when it comes to choosing a location for their tattoo. Back of their heads, underarms, and genitals have been some of the weirdest requests. Lesson learned: two-faced people exist. Number 5. A mouth-watering six-pack. This man knows how to realize the dream. Instead of working out, it's so much easier to just get six-pack tattooed on your stomach. Literally, no sweat. Lesson learned: tattooed six-pack are forever. Number 6. It's a Britney Spears classic, said not so beautifully. Oops, I did it again. Things change, people change, love changes. There are so many people who regret having tattooed their lover's name or face. While most of the cover-ups are simple, some of them are hilarious. A devil over the ex's face makes total sense, right? Lesson learned: choose a tattoo that will stay timeless. Number 7. Almost. What a word of significance, right? How a tattoo was visualized may not translate into reality. It's all about finding the right person for the job. Remember, tattoos are permanent changes to your body. Do not go ahead with it if you feel even a little unsure. Make an excuse and leave. I need to think about it more will work. Lesson learned: find an experienced tattoo artist to do the job. Number 8. Whoa, why do I see two of you? Tattoos can be good reminders, like reminding you where your feet are or what the logo of McDonald's looks like. Lesson learned: two sets of feet help running faster. Number 9. Tattoo support is a real thing. Your tattoo will never leave your side, even when your friends may abandon you. You've got it for life. Lesson learned: the tattoo will always have your back. And the last one, a chessboard missing? One word: checkmate. I think Ron Weasley has an accurate description of what this really is. Lesson learned: get a tattoo with purpose. Well, that was our top 10 tattoo fails, and if you felt enlightened in any way at all, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.